Hello students and welcome back. This is the fourth part of the rise of nationalism in Europe MCQ. I've already published 3 parts. I hope you have enjoyed it. Let's quickly begin the last part. Who was responsible for the unification of Germany? Bismarck, Count Cavour, Giuseppe Mazzini or Garibaldi? And students, I think that's an easy one. We know Otto von Bismarck was responsible for the unification of Germany. Which one of the following is true with reference to Romanticism, concept of government by consent, freedom of an individual, cultural movements, or freedom of markets? So this is also an easy one. We know with reference to Romanticism, the cultural movement is the true reference here. Who became the king of United Italy? Giuseppe Garibaldi, Count Cavour, Giuseppe Mazzini or Victor Emmanuel II? And that's again an easy one. We know the king of United Italy was after Victor Emmanuel II. Which region was the civil code exported to? Switzerland, Italy, Italy and Germany, Switzerland and Germany, Dutch Republic in Switzerland, and Italy and Germany. So the civil code is the Napoleonic Code. And students, again, this is a very easy one. We know the civil code was exported to Dutch Republic, in Switzerland, in Italy and Germany. So all of this. Which countries did the French armies move into? Holland and Italy, Holland, Belgium, Switzerland and much of Italy, Switzerland and Italy, or Holland and Belgium. Again, this is also an easy one. We know the French armies moved into Holland, Belgium, Switzerland and much of Italy. Which one of the following was not the feature of Napoleonic Code? Right to property, universal adult franchise, privileges based on birth, equality before the law. So students, we know in Napoleonic Code, the only thing which is not correct here is the privileges based on birth. It was mentioned clearly that the privileges will not be based on birth. Who hosted the Treaty of Vienna? Duke Metternich, Giuseppe Garibaldi, Victor Emmanuel or Frederick Sorio? So we know it very well, students. The Treaty of Vienna was hosted by Duke Metternich. Who was Giuseppe Mazzini and what did he do? Giuseppe Mazzini was a Russian politician who wrote a book. He was a French revolutionary and he formed groups, or he was a British statesman and he gave speeches, or he was an Italian revolutionary who founded 2 underground societies, Young Italy in Marseilles and Young Europe in Bern, and opposed monarchy. I think you may have guessed this is the right answer also. Giuseppe Mazzini was an Italian revolutionary. First of all, he was not French, Russian or British, and he founded 2 underground societies, Young Italy in Marseilles and Young Europe in Bern. Which area was the most serious source of nationalist tension in Europe? Balkan states, Eastern states, Southern Europe or Mid-Europe? And students, again, this is an easy one. We know the Balkans were the serious source of nationalist tension in Europe. So answer is Balkan states. Who had sought to put together a coherent program for a unitary Italian republic? Is it Metternich, Napoleon, Giuseppe Mazzini or Otto von Bismarck? And students, again, the answer for this is Giuseppe Mazzini. Who among the following formed the secret society called Young Italy? Otto von Bismarck, Metternich, John Rutherford or Giuseppe Mazzini? So I think we have already covered it in part of it. Let's refer the book also. During the 1830s, Giuseppe Mazzini had sought to put together a coherent program for a unitary Italian republic. He had also formed a secret society called Young Italy for the dissemination of his goals. So अपने वो goals को disseminate करने के लिए उसने एक छोटी society बनाई थी सीक्रेट थी, उसका नाम था यंग इटली. So we know the answer, Giuseppe Mazzini. Who played the leading role in the unification of Germany? Johann Gottfried Herder, German philosopher, Otto von Bismarck, Austrian Chancellor, or German Emperor Kaiser William I. So that's an easy one. We know it's Otto von Bismarck who led it. When was the Customs Union or Zollverein formed at the initiative of Prussia and joined by most of the German states? 1837, 36, 35 or 34? I think you may have remembered it by now. It is 1834. Who said, when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold? Bismarck, Duke Metternich, Garibaldi or Mazzini? And answer for the student is Duke Metternich. Which territories were included under the Habsburg Empire? Sudetenland, Bohemia, Lombardy and Venetia, Tyrol, Austria and Sudetenland, Alpine regions, the Tyrol, Austria, Hungary and the Sudetenland, Bohemia, Lombardy and Venetia. And answer is, the territories which were included in the Habsburg Empire were Alpine regions, the Tyrol, Austria, Hungary and the Sudetenland. They were all the Alpine regions. Bohemia, Lombardy and Venetia. Which one of the following areas was the most serious source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871? I think this is a repeated question. We know it was the Balkans. So if we see the book, this is the painting Germania, Philip With, 1848. The artist prepared this painting of Germania on a cotton banner, as it was meant to hang from the ceiling of the Church of St. Paul, where the Frankfurt Parliament was convened in March 1848. So we know the answer, it is Philip With. When was Ireland forcibly incorporated into the United Kingdom? 1798, 1800, 1801 or 1799? And answer for this children is, or students, it's 1801. When was Napoleon defeated? 1815, 17, 21 or 20? That's an easy one. We know Napoleon was defeated in 1815. Which of the following treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? Constantinople Treaty, Vienna Treaty of 1815, Diplomatic Treaty of Sardinia, Piedmont, or none of these? So if we go through the book, the Treaty of Constantinople of 1832 recognized Greece as an independent nation. So we know the answer, students, it's Constantinople Treaty. Who were the Junkers? Soldiers, aristocracy, large land owners, or nobility? So we will refer the book again. This liberal initiative to nation building was, however, repressed by the combined forces of the monarchy and the military, supported by the large landowners, which were called Junkers of Prussia. So large landowners were called Junkers. So the answer is large landowners. Who was Giuseppe Mazzini? A French revolutionary, a Russian revolutionary, an Italian revolutionary, or none of the above? So I think by now you must remember it. Giuseppe Mazzini was an Italian revolutionary. Which of the following countries did not attend the Congress of Vienna? Russia, Switzerland, Britain, or Prussia? So we know the Congress of Vienna had Britain, had Russia, had Prussia. So it is Switzerland which was not part of it. And students, this brings to the last question of this chapter and the part 4 also. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do like and share. The last question is, when were the conservative regimes set up? 1815, 30, 32 or 14? And the correct answer is 1815. Thank you children for watching this video. I wish you all the success and good luck for your exam and life. Keep watching, keep sharing.